How do I know right career in computer science that fits me? Okay, now this is one of the most major confusing question, especially for students around India who have opted for computer science engineering or a field which is sort of related to this. Now, this answer may be relevant for other branches students as well who have opted for different kind of questions, but I'm focusing on computer science students right now because that is where I feel that I can actually add value to their career. So maybe previously in some videos I have discussed this, but in this video I'm going to discuss in detail. If you have a suggestion for a video, in that case, put that in the comment and I will make sure that it is done. So first of all, you have to understand, are you actually passionate about this field? Are you in this field because of the money, or you are in this field because you want to learn something? There is a video where we shot with, again, I'm not able to remember, it was Walid. He mentioned that you should not be going for a job where you are going to actually make a huge amount of money. You should not be running behind money because that is not going to help you grow in your career. So first of all, you have to decide if you are opting for computer science or if you have opted for computer science just because of money. That is the wrong indicator for you, and that is not going to help you grow your career, especially if we talk about in terms of computer science. Now secondly, if you have already opted for it, now you're making, like, you realized, okay Avinash, now I should be making some changes. What are those? Well, first of all, you have to understand where you are standing right now. If you are a hardcore coder, you have logical abilities, you can actually code something, well, that is where you can make your career options into software engineering. If you're kind of a people kind of a person where you can actually interact with people, talk to them and explain them things, you can become sort of a consultant kind of a person who can bridge the gap between the technology, the people who are using it, and you in the middle who is going to actually answer their queries related to tech, or maybe the people who are using the technology or making the technology. So you have to understand there are two kind of career options which are best for computer science, and if you want to find in detail what those are, if you don't want to go into IT, there is a video we have made where you can actually look for various career options without having programming knowledge, especially in IT. So that is it for this video, guys. In case if you have a question, put that in the comment of this video. And if you need a career guidance related to what is the right path for you, obviously in that case, there is a link which is given in the description of this video. Click that link, fill in the details, and someone from our team will assist you with your right career path.